everyone, please pray for this lizard. I just took him off this sticky thing right here. I'm gonna show you this sticky thing. I see all those leaves. I was like trying to get him off really carefully without hurting him. And please pray for him. I already prayed for him that all his fingers and toes will be intact. And look at his arm. And I don't know if he can move his arm, but he's breathing. That's why I took him off, because I saw him breathing. It looks blurry because I guess... Let me see if I can put the flash on because it looks dark. Hold on, don't leave. Oh, yeah. You see, he's alive. Oh, he's drinking the water out of my hand. He's drinking it for a while. I'm going to put more water on my hand. He's trying to gain his strength. Look at, he's still drinking. You see him opening his mouth? Dear Abba Yahweh, dear brother Yeshua, please touch and heal this poor lizard right now. I'm going to put the phone down a second so I could put water in my hand. You're going to see him drink water, so don't swipe away. Hold on. Okay, do you see him drinking? Is he drinking the water? Can I zoom in? Oh my god, I guess he had enough. Oh, he doesn't like the lights. I'm sorry. I don't like the lights either. You see him breathing? Why does it look blurry? Okay, I'm gonna turn the video off. Oh, you see him drinking water? Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Wait. He's moving. Is he drinking it? Yeah, oh my god, he's drinking the water. Look, guys. I got a really good close shot. I don't know what to do. Should I put lotion? I'm gonna put lotion on his body. Bye. Thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, don't get those sticky things, fly traps, please, because it just... this was not the only lizard that was on there. Was another one that was dead. So please don't buy these sticky fly traps because they kill lizards. A long, slow death, like he was starving to death. Bye. Thanks for watching.